What role does DNA play in developing bipolar disorder? Imagine your brain as a complex network of roads and signals, all controlled by tiny instructions inside your cells called DNA. These instructions help determine how your brain develops and functions. When it comes to bipolar disorder, DNA plays a crucial role because it carries genetic information that can influence your risk of developing this condition. Bipolar disorder is a mental health condition marked by extreme mood swings, including episodes of mania and depression. Scientists have found that it is not caused by a single gene but involves many genes working together. These genes are parts of your DNA that affect how brain cells communicate, how signals are sent and received, and how adaptable your brain is to change. Large-scale genetic studies have identified hundreds of specific regions in the human genome that are linked to bipolar disorder. These regions contain variations in DNA that can increase the likelihood of experiencing mood episodes. For example, some of these variations impact genes involved in calcium signaling, which helps neurons communicate, or brain plasticity, which is how the brain adapts and rewires itself over time. Interestingly, the genetic factors that influence bipolar disorder often overlap with those involved in other mental health conditions like schizophrenia, depression, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This overlap suggests shared biological pathways that affect brain function and mood regulation. Different types of bipolar disorder may also have unique genetic profiles, with some similarities to other disorders. While genetics play a significant role, heredity estimates suggest that up to 90% of the risk can be linked to DNA. Having these genetic variations does not mean a person will definitely develop bipolar disorder. Environmental factors such as stress, trauma, or life changes also interact with genetic predispositions to influence whether symptoms appear. Recent research has even uncovered specific repeated DNA sequences that might make some people more vulnerable to bipolar disorder. These findings hint at how evolutionary changes in human DNA could contribute to mental health differences. In summary, DNA provides the blueprint that influences brain development and function, and many genetic variations can increase the risk of bipolar disorder. However, genetics are just part of the story. Environmental influences and personal experiences also shape whether someone develops the condition. If you have concerns about bipolar disorder, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique genetic and life circumstances.